Beautiful girl. Beautiful mama. Beautiful. How beautiful. Beautiful girl. Stretch your little legs. She lets me touch her yellow crest, guys. She doesn't even bite me. Petunia. Oh, she lets me touch her leg. I'm assuming that leg. How beautiful that leg is. Look how beautiful. She's a beautiful little girl. And she's got a beautiful little crest. Hi, Coconut. Hi, Coconut. Petunia here, guys. Beautiful. Look at the little cheekies. The little cheekies. Look at the little belly. So beautiful. She doesn't even bite me. Say bye to the people. Bye.